Well, it's hugely significant for Prince Harry. He said that he wanted the truth, not the money. But with this settlement, he's also got an apology. So in his eyes, perhaps, he has achieved both things. The trial was due to get underway yesterday, but there was adjournment after adjournment. And eventually, when court resumed this morning at 10:30 local time, the lawyers said in open court that there had been a settlement reached and the trial did not need to proceed. Then an apology letter was read in open court, and I'll bring you some of that now. It says, News Group Newspapers offers a full and unequivocal apologies to the Duke of Sussex for the serious intrusion by the Sun between 1996 and 2011 into his private life, including incidents of unlawful activities carried out by private investigators who worked for the Sun. It also offered an apology for phone hacking, surveillance and misuse of private information by journalists and private investigators at the News of the World. The apology then went on. It was one thing after another. The apology then went to the impact on the Duke of Sussex for the extensive coverage and serious intrusion into his private life, as well as the private life of Diana, Princess of Wales, his late mother, in particular during his younger years. The newspapers acknowledged the distress caused to the Duke and the damage inflicted on his relationships, but then acknowledged without any admission of illegality that NGN's response to the 2006 arrests and subsequent actions were regrettable. There was an unequivocal apology, I should say, also to Lord Tom Watson, another a politician who had pursued his grievances against the News Group newspapers as well. And in fact, Prince Harry and Lord Watson were, I guess, the last two people standing in all of this, because a number of high-profile people here in Britain, including celebrities such as Hugh Grant and Sienna Miller, sporting stars, politicians, even Prince William, had all settled cases, and the newspaper group was, I guess, attempting to avoid trials where the information would come out and admit any liability publicly. But as a result of that, the information didn't come out. So Prince Harry had always been determined to bring this matter all the way through trial so that all of the information would come out so that he could chase the truth that he so wanted. So today he's got these apologies from the newspaper group. There will also be a settlement, which the details of which we were not told today during those court proceedings, and they're usually kept under wraps. We are waiting to hear a statement from lawyers representing Prince Harry. That will be outside the court in the coming hours, and waiting when California wakes up to perhaps hear a statement from Prince Harry himself. He did not travel here to London for this trial, and we were told that there were intense discussions in the days leading up to it, pointing to a possible settlement. That was certainly the talk here in London yesterday, that it might happen, but there was still uncertainty because Prince Harry had always been adamant that he did not want to settle, that he wanted to see this through. But today we do have a very lengthy apology from Rupert Murdoch's News Group newspapers to the Prince, as well as a settlement before a trial needed to proceed.
Mazoe Ford joining us there from London. Thank you.